about quitting YouTube for not being able to get your 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, which is the limit you get for you to get monetized on YouTube. Worry no more, I got it covered. With this pattern, this simple strategy, you will get your 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers within 7 days. Even 7 days is too much for if you are diligent on this pattern. This pattern really work. I'm not going to show you something that I have not tried. I'm not going to show you something that I have not tested. So before I show you this step by step, I'm going to show you a practical example of videos I did that I use that got my channel monetized very quick. Now let's go to this shot. Now this pattern that I want to show you, look at this. Shot got me 313,000 views. Now let's go to the lifetime of this shot, because it's not now, it has been let's say last 2 months that I did this shot. So when you get to this, the lifetime of this video, this is the lifetime of this video. Now let's see. If you look at this shot, this is 2-minute shot. It's restream that I use this. I did restream on this. You can see that this shot watch hours I got here is 1,997 watch time per one night. That is what I got one night. Now let's say you are looking for 4,000 watch hours. One night I got this. I upload this video by 6 p.m. in the night, and I disconnect it by 7 a.m. in the morning, and this got me 1,997. That is what this got me. What I'm telling you is practical truth. Now how do you get to this app? All you need to do is to go to restream.io. A lot of people are saying something about restream.io. If you use restream.io, your channel will be demonetized. All these are rumors. They are just mere rumors. This is what I used to monetize my channel. I just monetized my channel. It's not up to 2 months ago. That's when I monetized my channel. The only thing that can get you strike when you use restream.io is if you use a copyright video, or if you use a naughty video, something that offend YouTube guideline. If you use something that offend YouTube guideline on it, you get strike. But if you maintain the YouTube rules, you can loop your video as much as you want. I loop this particular video a whole night. Yes, what I use is my phone a whole night. I will just wake up and go and check it. I wake up and check it. Subscribers was increasing rapidly and watch hours were accumulating. So it's practically fine for you to use restream.io to monetize your channel. Your channel will not be demonetized in any way. All you need to do once you get your channel monetized, if the pattern you use to get your channel monetized is not actually what you are using, so what you will do is immediately you get your channel monetized, you go back and delete those videos, those shorts, so that they will not keep giving you more subscribers again, because the more they give you more subscribers, it may affect the new pattern, the main pattern that you set the channel for. So that is just the problem there. So for you to use this restream.io is the fastest and the easiest way for you to get your channel monetized. I use it to get my channel monetized, so there's nothing wrong in using restream.io to monetize your channel. Now how do you set this restream.io? I want you to follow me step by step on how to use this restream.io to monetize your channel. Now you go to Chrome. Once you get to Chrome, you just type restream.io. It will pop up. If you have not really signed up with this thing, you are going to little challenges on, which is just put your email and just put your emails. It's not even much. And once you get that done, so once it brings us to this place, you click continue with Google, because I've already signed up with this channel. So continue with Google. It's going to take me straight to Restream. Now it comes to this place, you will see different accounts. You are going to use the account you have connected with, because you are connecting it direct to YouTube. Add to this place, you see continue, because I've already connected this account with restream.io. Once you see continue. Now it's bringing us to this interface. It's loading. Let's start. Finally load like this. So you will see a place that says new. If you look at this account now, I've been using this. This is what I'm using. You can see my videos. Get to this place. You see plus here. This place say new. Click new. Click new. Bring you to this interface which says Restream Studio. You enter Restream Studio. Once you click on that Restream Studio, it brings us to this phase that says setting the stage for you. Once it's come to this place, it's already set. Say enter studio. You click enter studio. As enter studio, it's showing join. So once you get to this place, you come to this plus sign here. It say add channel. This is where you connect your channel to it. You click here, add channel. You see other network there that you can connect with. So this you can connect multiple network like Facebook, Twitter, all this other network, YouTube. So because of this purpose of this teaching is YouTube we are talking about here. So you come to this button here, you click it on. As you click it on, you have automatically connect this to YouTube. Once you connect it to YouTube, it brings it out here. It brings the channel out here. Once you bring the channel out here, what you do is that you come to this three dots line here. When you come to this place, you click this three dots line. You go and take the video you want to use. You take the video you want to use. I already have videos here. If you don't have videos here, you click here. Once it click here, it take you straight to your gallery. You pick the video you have already prepared for it and bring it to that place. So because I have enough videos here, what you do is that you just go here, pick one particular video you want to use and add it. So once you add it, the video will appear. Once the video appear and start playing, it's automatically showing direct to YouTube. People that will be watching it are those on YouTube. So that is how it is. So you come to this place and click go live. I don't want to click go live because I'm not ready to go live today. This is how I got my 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. This pattern work like magic. You can use it to get your subscribers and watch hour at the same time. I did this only 3 good days. The first one got me 300 and something thousand. The second one got me 100 and something thousand. The third one got me 400 and something thousand. And the reason you did not see this, I deleted some of them, which I said earlier. If you just get that subscribers and your watch hour, you can delete some of them so that they will not keep giving you more subscribers that is not related to what you are creating presently, so that it will not affect your growth at the long run, because this content will keep giving you subscribers, so and those subscribers are not going to watch your long form video, especially if you are into YouTube growth. They will not watch it. This is the fastest and easiest way for you to get your 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscriber without asking anybody sub for sub. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video and give it a thumbs up. And if you have any issue, please comment at the comment section. We'll cut you back. See you in our next video. Bye bye.